sprinting to 60 miles an hour in 3.9 seconds. This supercharged 2021 Hennessey Venom F-150 is sure to turn heads. In its beautiful leadfoot gray exterior color, the last year we're going to see that color from Ford. This truck is all that and more. Guys, I'm Brock Patterson, National Specialty Vehicle Manager here at Reddick Brown Ford. We're about an hour and 15 minutes south of Nashville, Tennessee, and they're #1 Ford Performance and Specialty Vehicle dealership. Hennessey's limited production Venom F-150 started last year into production for the 2020 model, and they've come back bigger and better in 2021. This beautiful leadfoot color is available right now at Reddick Brown Ford. If you want to reach me, you can call or text me at 615-397-3331. They've got a beautiful custom exclusive Venom F-150 front bumper, rear bumper. They've done tire and wheel upgrade, their beautiful 20-inch wheel, and Whipple's 3.0 liter supercharger. This thing 0 to 60, 3.9 seconds. It's 775 horsepower. Continues to get all your factory warranty, and Hennessey's going to cover you for their components 3-year, 36,000 miles. This thing is an absolute animal. Unique sport interior option, leather seats. You got to check this whole thing out. Braxton's going to give you a quick tour, let you see what this truck is about, and it's eligible for that Section 179 immediate tax deduction here for the 2021 tax year. Make sure you check out your accountant, talk to your accountant, CPA, or your controller for more information. Without further ado, here's the 21 Hennessey Venom F-150.